Oh my goodness, this is exploding all over the internet. You gotta have this app just so you can get protected. Let me show it to you. Well, I can't show it to you right now, but I can show it to you on our next live webinar that you must attend. Now, here's what I can tell you. Over 4.6 million people are currently using this application to provide themselves and their families protection, assurance, and peace of mind. I can tell you that without this app, you are unprotected, your family is unprotected, and you are exposed to certain threats that could cause you financial devastation, and even in the worst case, be protected from accidental death due to tragic police traffic stops. Not only can it protect you in that way, it also has an income benefit. That's right, this company is paying you a referral fee of up to $200 per day or more whenever a member downloads this app. It's not rocket science. They download it, you get paid. How simple is it to go to the Google Play Store and download an app and get paid for it? Now, what you need to know is what to do to capitalize off this information. So follow my directions exactly. Step 1, you need to register for the webinar. Step 2, invite 5 friends to register for the webinar. When you do that, then you will qualify for an opportunity to start earning income from your cell phone by sharing the app. Now think about it. You can rest easy at night knowing that you protected your friends and family with an amazing service through an app, and you get paid to do it. So don't waste any time. Register now, get your friends to register, and we'll give you more information on the webinar.